Hello everyone, in this video I will compare SmartThings and HomeKit. SmartThings and Apple HomeKit are both popular smart home platforms, but they cater to slightly different uses. SmartThings is a Samsung smart home platform that lets you control and automate lights, plugs, cameras, sensors, and more from one app. It works with a huge variety of brands, so you're not stuck with one company's products. The setup is fairly easy, and you can connect devices through Wi-Fi, Zigbee, or Z-Wave. One of its biggest strengths is automation. You can set things to happen automatically, like lights turning on when you arrive home. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistants, so voice control is simple. The app can feel a bit overwhelming at first because it has so many options. HomeKit is Apple's smart home system that lets you control lights, locks, thermostats, cameras, and more using the Home app or Siri. It's designed to work smoothly with iPhones, iPads, Apple Watch, and even Apple TV for remote access. The setup is simple, just scan a code on the device and it's ready to use. HomeKit focuses a lot on privacy and security, so your data stays safe and encrypted. While it doesn't support as many brands as some other platforms, the devices it does work with are usually high quality and reliable. Automation is easy to set up, like having lights turn on when you arrive home or the thermostat adjusts at bedtime. In short, SmartThings is best for flexibility, while HomeKit is best for Apple users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.